Hey everybody, it's John David. I'm back again, and this time we're on video number 2. We're going to be creating more complex formulas. And all that complex formulas are just basically our basic formulas, but they have a component of order of operations to them. So I thought an interesting way that we could to maybe apply this spreadsheet would be looking at a proportional relationship. So let's say we wanted to figure out the percent of calories that fast food are going to be making up compared to restaurant and fast food altogether. And so we've got to create a function that's going to allow us to examine that proportional relationship. So we're going to say fast food divided by restaurant plus fast food. Oop. Whoop. Okay. Okay, so that's just saying that, we're going to look at the amount of calories of just fast food versus these combined calories overall. So here's what we can do. We're going to go to this cell right here. We're going to hit equals again. And remember that clues Excel into, lets it know that we're going to be creating a formula. And so now we're going to say our fast food calories. Okay. And then we're going to say divided by, and then we're going to use, if you guys remember back to order of operations, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, remember our parentheses are really important to functions because they allow us to know what sorts of things are being grouped together within a function. So we're going to say F5 divided by E5 plus F5. We're going to close our parentheses set. And look, so that's telling us that 58% of the calories that we see from restaurant and fast food caloric intake overall are being consumed at fast food alone. And again, just like last time, I can actually pull this column down, and it will apply the formula to the next rows in exactly the same way. So that's allowing us to see, when we're looking at our different population subsets, it looks like children are consuming more fast food calories when looking at restaurants and fast food than adults are. So it might lead us to the conclusion that kids like to eat fast food, which, just gonna, spoiler alert, probably is true. So, okay, sounds good. There we go.